All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis. On today's video, I'm going to take the 11 major brands and I'm going to rank them. The last time I did this video was pretty popular. Someone was asking me, hey, has that changed at all, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what? Let's redo it. I didn't even look what the ranking was before, so that I didn't want to have a preconceived notion or whatever. I kind of just like on the whim, just wrote a list and I stuck with it. Before we get into details, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you want the chamois, 500 grit chamois, they are available right now. So use the link down below in the description. If you like this jersey, I'm wearing my teddy bear or gummy bear jersey, efx.co, promo code Napoles10. That'll get you 10% off your entire order. And just to preface this, my opinion, this is not the end all be all. I didn't look at sales numbers. I didn't look at anything. This is strictly my opinion. So if my list differs from yours, then that's okay. Let me know in the comments what your list would be. So I did not include like the swag brand. I didn't include any of the like the Lord Field, any of that. I'm only including the 11 major brands. So that's the 7 brands of Brunswick, the 3 brands of Storm, and Motive. Nothing else. All right, so let's just get right into it. Coming in at number 11, Radical. Now, Radical has made some pretty good balls. You know, like No Doubt Solid, the Meme Ball, the Torpedo Direct Hit, the Power Hitter, really, really good balls. But when I think of it as a whole, this is probably my least favorite brand. And honestly, if Radical is coming in at number 11 and they're making some good balls, that just goes to show you that these brands are making really good things right now. Actually, let me check if I'm recording, because I don't remember if I hit the record button. Yeah, we're recording. I just had to make sure. I didn't want to shoot this entire video and then forget. All right, so that was number 11, Radical. Coming in at number 10, Columbia 300. Again, one of my top 5 balls of the year so far, through June, is a Columbia ball. But again, as a whole, you know, it's not a brand that I really am excited for. It's not really a brand that I'm looking forward to, you know, to drilling the stuff. They've had good balls. The Super Cuda Power Core Pearl was really good. The Rally was really good. But again, as a whole, it's a brand that I don't love. So that's why it's coming in at number 10 on my list. Coming in at number 9, this is where things get a little bit interesting. We're going with 900 Global. And it's not that 900 Global doesn't make good balls, because I think that all their stuff is pretty good. They just don't release enough balls. Like 3 or 4 balls a year, it's easy to get forgotten, especially when you're under the SPI umbrella. So not much to talk about there. Coming in at number 8, Ebonite. Again, I think that they make good stuff, right? The vibes are all really good. The Turbo X was decent. The Game Breakers are always phenomenal. But as a whole, again, not a brand that I love. We're going to say a lot of the similar things, but a lot of these brands here at the bottom. Now, number 7, right? So the top 7, these are more brands that I'm looking forward to releases. So coming in at number 7, we're talking about DV8. DV8, I really, really, really like the Collision line, like a Brutal Collision. That line of balls alone is why I think that it's going to be in 7th. But really looking forward to what's coming in the future. And I may or may not already know what's coming out next from DV8, but I can't talk about it yet. But yeah, DV8 number 7. Number 6, Track. You know, Track has been making really, really good balls recently. I love the stealths. The Paragon Shadow is like unbelievable of a ball. And that's why Track's going to be at number 6. So now we're in the top 5. This is where now the brands are, you know, like we ain't messing around now with these brands in the top 5. Number 5, Roto Grip. Now, I can say similar things to Roto Grip as I did for 900 Global. They don't release a ton of balls, but it's definitely more balls than Global, and just the quality is up there. And Roto Grip is always been one of my favorite brands. I could have put it number 4, but I ultimately put it number 5. Number 4 and number 5 are the ones that I kind of struggled with the most, placing them. But just know that it's number 5, but it could have easily been number 4. Number 4, Brunswick. All right, this is another brand that makes really, really good stuff. Every time a Brunswick ball comes out, you got to take a look at them. Very exciting stuff coming out of the Brunswick brand. So now we're in the top 3. All 3 are 3 different brands under the 3 different umbrellas. And this is where things start to get kind of, not personal for me, but whenever you talk about these brands, people really take it personal. They really have an allegiance to these brands. So coming in at number 3, Storm. Okay, Storm number 3. It's one of the best brands in bowling. Every time they come out with a ball, you kind of have to take a look at it. You know, the identity was really good. The Equinox was really good. The level was really good. You know, the IQAI, I haven't thrown it, but damn, it looks good. The Ion Pros. These balls, really, really good balls. And it's in my top 3. It's not a bad thing. Coming in at number 2, I can turn off my list already. Coming in at number 2, Hammer. Hammer makes really, really good balls. The Hammerhead, the all the Widows, the Black Widow Mania was a really, really good ball. The Anger, surprisingly, I thought that was a really good ball. Clean, very responsive. The Vibes, really, really good balls. Every time Hammer makes a ball, it's good. Every time Hammer makes a ball, you got to take a look at it. And then, of course, number 1, my favorite brand. It's the brand that really got me my start here on YouTube. There's always going to be that affiliation to that brand, Motive. My jersey is Motive right now because I'm about to be reviewing a Motive ball. But yeah, Motive is my favorite brand, far and away. You know, the sales aren't amazing here in Las Vegas, but from a brand, you know, especially this year in 2025, they're 5 for 5. 5 balls, 5 bangers that have come out this year. You know, the Thrill Hybrid, the new Jackal, the EJ Jackal, you know, the Jackal Onyx, the Lethal Venom, the EJ Jackal, like I mentioned, the Max Thrill Hybrid, the Evoke Hysteria. Just every ball this year has just been banger after banger after banger. And then when you factor in, they still got the Venom Shock, they still got the Jackal Ghost. It was an easy Motive at number 1 for me, you know. But let me know in the comments how you would rank these brands, and not just your top 2 or 3. You know, I challenge you. Give me your top 11. Rank them all.